Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video we are going to learn about dictionaries in Python. In previous video we have talked about list and we also seen about tuples and set. So how can we define our dictionaries in Python? So I am here creating one variable that is called myDict. Now how can we create our dictionary? For create our dictionary we need a curly braces. We use a curly braces to define our dictionary. So one thing is that why we need dictionaries. So example for if we want to store a data of student. Example for we want to store data of student. So that time we can use dictionary. So dictionary store a data in key and value pair. So example for here we create one variable that is called student. Now we want to store a roll number of student, so we can create one string roll number, and now I want to store a roll number of student. So first I put a colon and after that I will put a roll number of student, example for 21. Okay, so now I want to store a name of student, name, and after that colon the name of student, example for Harry, and the age of the student, 18. So that is our dictionary. So now I am going to print our dictionary. Okay, it is working perfectly. Now how can we get elements of our dictionary? Example for I want to get a roll number of students, so how can I get that? So I am just call student and I am going to pass a roll number. So you can see that it is giving me a roll number of student. So let's see, we need a name of student, student name. Okay, so we got a name. So dictionary basically work like a records. Okay, so let's see, we have to add one another key like subject. So we can use like this, student of subject. In that we will assign Python. So now I will print student dictionary. So we can see that the subject is added in our dictionary. Okay, so we have a lots of methods of dictionaries. Example for if I want to get only keys of our dictionary, so we have one method that is called student. We have a method that is called keys. So when I print this, you can see that we got only key pair of our dictionary, that is a roll number, name and age. What if I want to get only values from my dictionary? So we have one another method that is called values. So it will give me only values from our dictionary. Okay, now what if I want to update a roll number from our dictionary? So simply I can print student roll number is equal to 1. Now I will print student it will change the roll number of student. So you can see that now the roll number of student is a 1. So how can we iterate our dictionary throughout the loop? So for keys in student, if I print keys, it will show me all the key value in our dictionary. So what if I want to print key and value both? So we have a one method that is called dot item method. Here we need two, I and j. So values, key and values, and when I print key and values, so it will show me both. So you can see that the key is a roll number, name and age, and the values is a 21, Harry and 18. Okay, so guys, that's how our dictionary work. If you have any question about dictionary, you can ask me in comment section below. So we have one another method that is called clear method. Okay, so whenever we call a clear method, now I am going to run this code. Student, so I will erase this code. So now you can see that it will show us the empty dictionary. That means it deleted the entire dictionary. So let's say we have another method that is called, we have lots of methods. Clear method, we have copy, from keys, get, item, pop. So pop 1. So whenever we want to delete any item, so we can use a pop method. It will delete a last element from. So okay, so I made one mistake. So example, for I want to pop a age of the student, so I can pass age. So you can see that. So now I will print student. So now you can see that age is deleted from our dictionary. So guys, that's it for this video. If you have any question, just let me know in comment section below.